All right, so it is my second to last day here in Porto, and today I'm going to walk over to Vila Nova De Gaia. I don't know if I butchered that, but I'm going to walk across the bridge and check out what's going on over there. So let's head on out. Got this guy maintaining the bridge at the risk of his life. That's crazy. I want to take that down. I always do these things even though I'm terrified of them. Every time I get in a cable car, I'm so scared. Oh no, it's speeding up. I hate this. Oh wow. This is the other village that looks on Porto from across the way. And I've been really wanting to get over here. Beautiful. Look at all these cool boats down here. Nice. And here I am. And there's a cute little market going on over here. I was gonna do one of these 6 bridges cruises tomorrow, but it got canceled because there wasn't enough people. But I think I can do it now. Look at all these cute little shops and stuff over here. I didn't even realize there was a lower bridge. I could have not climbed this mountain a bunch of times.
Elle a été construite sur le site Porto Metro. Esta es la autovía de la ingeniería Pia. According to Siemens and us friend. If you look closely, you will see that, in fact, there are 2 bridges built side by side, 10 centimeters away from. Se rinden ante esta ciudad, famosa por la gastronomía y su gente.
That's a nice little boardwalk over here.
Up ahead, we can see the imposing Arrabida Bridge.
There's the ocean.
Devant, nous pouvons voir l'imposing.
That was nice. Let's go explore. There's this rabbit mural I want to see. And then we'll find some lunch. It's pretty cool. It's all these pieces of scrap. That's so cool. That's super cool. There's a wine tasting that came with the boat ride. So the rosé port is, they just add a little bit of the grape skin.
Yeah, we remove, yes, a little bit. And then each one here in a stainless steel vats. Enjoy.
Cheers. I like that. It's sweet. Yeah, it tastes like a tawny port almost. Look at all this. I got a complimentary white port, some bread with tomato paste and oil, and an amazing view of the Louis Pont Bridge. This is really good. It's really, really good. So I got this melon mocktail, and I got this smoked duck with mushrooms. It looks nice. It tastes like bacon. It really does. I don't know how they season this duck, but it tastes like bacon. It's very nice. I got my eggplant pasta. Looks interesting. Got some cheese on the side. They have a random art gallery here. So overall that meal was really good. The pasta was kind of mid, but the rest of it was really nice. And this place is cute. They've got art. They got a nice view. They give you complimentary wine. I think it's worth checking out for sure. Can never get enough of this view. Look how much busier it is here now than it was earlier. Alright, it is now dinner time, so I'm gonna head over. There's this awesome ramen spot. It's really cool. I want to show it to you. Let's head on over there. Look at all these sodas. I got a grape soda with a Bulbasaur on it. Isn't this place amazing? It feels like you're in Japan. There's all these manga. There's Pokemon. This is Doraemon. So cute. Thank you. Yum. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you. Bye, robot. I got the extra spicy duck ramen, and I got an extra egg because I love a tea egg. It meowed. I love the kitty robot.
Okay.
Look how cute this all is. I love this place. It's the best. Alright, so I had a really nice time in Vila Nova De Gaia yesterday, having some good food, doing the little Six Bridges boat tour. That is it for today, so on to the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.